आज अर्ली मॉर्निंग 4 तारीख अर्ली मॉर्निंग म्हणजे अबाउट 1 o'clock आमकां एक इन्फॉर्मेशन येयलें की एक गाडी लयलँड टेम्पो टायप व्हेकल तातून एक बुल म्हणजे ऑक्स इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड. अकॉर्डिंगली टीम हेडेड बाय PI विदेश शिरोडकर along with the staff of Valpoi police station has immediately rushed to the spot, and we were able to rescue one ox, white color ox. The ox was carried in a Karnataka registration vehicle number KA 24A 2000. There was a cruelty meted out to this ox, and accordingly immediately we registered FIR against the driver of the vehicle. The FIR was registered under section 325 BNS and various sections of prevention of cruelty to animal, and also the transporting of the bull or ox in the vehicle is also illegal. Accordingly, we have also added another section of transported animal rule 2001. So we have added lot of sections, and it was really cruelty meted out to this ox. The ox was immediately for the safe custody. We have admitted the ox in the Goshala at Valpoi, and primary interrogation with the accused driver who is already arrested. This bull was brought from Margao. So we will be calling the from where the bull was purchased. Further, it is also came in record that this ox was taken to Karnataka, was supposed to take to Karnataka for slaughtering.